Hello, good morning, students. Today, human development part 9. Okay, so students, earlier classes we have studied about the different stages in human beings like infancy, childhood, adolescence, and now today we are going to study about the adulthood and old age. So students, as you have studied earlier that in different stages there are different changes, and those changes are progressive, okay, in infancy, in childhood, and in adolescence. But now in adulthood there is changes occur in human development, but those changes are stable at a level, okay. And in old age we can observe the decline type of changes in the human beings. So students, first the adulthood. Okay, the what is adulthood? An adult is generally defined as someone who is responsible, mature, self-supporting, and well integrated into society. Okay, so there is a variation in developing these attributes which suggest that there is a shift in timing when an individual becomes an adult or assumes adult roles. So the assumptions of adult role is directed by an individual's social context, mean that in different social contexts there is different types of role and responsibilities and maturity in different adults. Students, in early adulthood two major tasks are exploring the possibilities for adult living and developing a stable life structure. As I told you, the changes occur, stability is over there. So because students, adult, as an adult there is various tasks to perform for them. मतलब उन्हें वहाँ बहुत सारे टास्क, बहुत सारे एडजस्टमेंट्स और बहुत सारी मैनेजमेंट्स करने होते हैं लाइफ के साथ. दैट्स वाई इन एडल्टहुड स्टेज वी विल स्टडी द डिफरेंट tasks of adults and how they adjust in these tasks, how they adjust in the different roles. So our first is the career and work. So, earning a living, choosing an occupation, and developing a career are important themes for people in their 20s and 30s. Students, please keep your parents and your uncle, aunts, and your elders in your mind to understand more about the adulthood stage. So, when the adult entering a work life is a challenging event in anyone's life, mean कि वहाँ पे when he enter in a work life situations, like as an adult start a business and start to do a job, he need to deal with different humans and different circumstances as well as, okay. So there are apprehensions regarding different adjustments, proving one's competence, performance, dealing with competition, and coping with expectations both of the employers and oneself. And you can understand and responsibilities. Developing and evaluating a career becomes an important task of adulthood. अब वहाँ पे adult, एज एन अडल्ट, अगर कोई ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट अडल्टहुड में, जैसे ही ह्यूमन एडल्टहुड में एंटर करता है तो उसको वहाँ बहुत सारे डिफरेंट रोल्स प्ले करने पड़ते हैं कि वहाँ पे ही नीड टू परफॉर्म, कि वहाँ जो एम्प्लॉयर है उनके एक्सपेक्टेशन के अकॉर्डिंग परफॉर्म करना होता है. ये सब चीज़ें एक ह्यूमन बीइंग की लाइफ में डिफरेंट कॉग्निटिव चेंजेस भी लाती हैं, ठीक है ना. साइकोलॉजिकल चेंजेस चलते रहते हैं, पर यहाँ पे चेंजेस क्या होते हैं, ओनली रिलेटेड टू social adjustments, okay. So students, are next, after the career and work has settled for an adult, the next task is marriage, parenthood, and family. So the adjustments that young adults have to make when entering a marriage relate to knowing the other person, if not known earlier, coping with each other's like, dislike, taste, and choices. देखिए, look students, ki when a person enter in a marriage life, okay, and he need to know his life partner and he need to understand the likes, dislikes. So for this reason he need to make different adjustments over there अपने life young adults ever though. It is usually accompanied by the feeling of love for the baby. And becoming a parent also a different and difficult task for the adult. देखिए, look, when an young adult become a parent and to manage a child is a very difficult task. उससे पहले वो खुद एक बच्चा था. He is having none of the responsibilities regarding the family, regarding the unknown person as a life partner, and regarding a new baby. But now he has to make adjustment. He has to make all the मैं कहूँ कि बहुत सारे चेंजेस और जो मैनेजमेंट्स होते हैं, जो एडजस्टमेंट्स होते हैं, वो वहाँ से स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं कि आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट रोल्स में डिफरेंट डिफरेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ प्ले करनी है. एंड adults experience parenting is affected by different situations such as the number of children in the family, the availability of social support, and the happiness or unhappiness of the married couple. Agar married couple is happy, then they are have a supporting type of relationship, and in this type of relationship they can better upbring their children's. But अगर वहाँ पे एक tuning नहीं है in the couples, तो it is hard to upbring a child. Okay. And one more thing is over there, that death of a spouse or divorce creates a family structure in which a single parent, either the mother or the father, has to take up the responsibilities of the children. Now you can understand that if अगर ये death of a spouse or divorce creates in the family, so being a single parent, as a single parent, you need to upbring your child. Okay. And women are increasingly seeking employment outside the home, thus creating another type of family in which both parents work. वहाँ पे भी जहाँ पे both, अगर आप में से कुछ बच्चों के मदर या फादर मदर वर्किंग है, so you can understand that as a working mother, a lady need to make more adjustments and need to work hard. Okay. So the stressors when both parents are working are quite the same as of a single working parent, namely and in the office etc. मतलब एक working parents हैं दोनों के दोनों, और एक single parent है, दोनों में mostly जो difficulties होती हैं वो same होती हैं. The stresses associated with parenting, it provides a unique opportunity for growth and satisfaction and is perceived as a way of establishing concern and the guiding the next generation. When you study the adolescence, there is no responsibility over the on the adolescence. Okay. अब यहाँ पे in adulthood they need to guide the next generation also, and it is a very important task. So students, our next changes in the body, that we can say that it is the physical changes also. The physical changes during middle ages are caused by maturational changes in the body. अभी तक जो भी changes आ रहे थे all are progressive. Okay. The infancy, childhood, adolescence, they are making an understanding towards the world. But in this adulthood, the changing are types of maturational and maturational changes in the body. Okay. Though individuals may vary in the rate at which these changes occur, almost all middle-aged people notice gradual deterioration in some aspects of their physical functioning, such as decline in vision, sensitivity to glare, hearing loss, and changes in physical appearance. For example, wrinkles, gray hair, or thinning of hair and weight gain. And now you can observe in a adult physical changes easily observed. Okay. So the next changes are the cognitive ability. Like I told you earlier that cognitive development is very important, and as in another stages, adulthood also is having a cognitive changes, but in a decline perspective. It is believed that some cognitive abilities decline with age while others do not. Okay. Decline in memory is more in tasks involving long term memory than short term memory. Okay. For example, if a middle aged person can remember the telephone number immediately after he has heard it, but may not remember it efficiently after a few days. So memory wise. Okay, so individual differences exist in intelligence at every age, and as not all children are exceptional, neither do all adults show wisdom. Means कि जैसे इंटेलिजेंस लेवल होता है सबका सेम नहीं होता, जस्ट लाइक द सेम एडल्ट्स में जो विजडम लेवल होता है वो भी सेम नहीं होता है. डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्टेजेस पे, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, डिफरेंट कल्चर्स में, डिफरेंट सोसाइटीज़ में विजडम लेवल जो होता है वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ही होता है. ओके, एंड मेमोरी plays an important thing in cognitive ability. Okay, because it goes to the decline slowly. physical changes अभी हमने पढ़े कि बहुत सारे होते हैं, ऐसे ही cognitive जो changes होते हैं they are also occur in adulthood. Okay, now students are the our next stage is old age. Okay, so old age also depends on the socio-economic conditions, availability of healthcare, attitude of people, expectations of society, and the available support system. Okay, so now there are different changes, but all changes goes toward the decline. Students, retirement from एक्टिव वोकेशनल लाइफ इज़ क्वाइट सिग्निफिकेंट. ये सबसे बड़ी चीज़ होती है रिटायरमेंट, बिकॉज आफ्टर अ बिजी लाइफ यू गेट एन रिटायरमेंट to all those responsibilities, all those roles what you have played. Okay, and older adults also need to adjust to changes in the family structure and new roles that have to be learned. Look, children usually are busy in their careers and families and may set up independent homes. Okay, and older adults may depend on their children for financial support and to overcome their loneliness. So this might trigger off feelings of hopelessness and depression in some people. Only in some people कि you are dependent on your children's, you have to make the decisions, you have to आपको फेस करने हैं उन सारे चिल्ड्रंस आपके लिए ले रहे हैं. सो कुछ लोगों में इसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ही स्ट्रेस एंड दे आर फेसिंग डिप्रेशन ऑल्सो ड्यू टू दिस. ओके, बिकॉज अभी तक आप हेड ऑफ द फैमिली थे, स्टिल यू आर हेड ऑफ द फैमिली, बट नाउ यू फील दैट यू आर dependent on someone. Okay, so it is trigger of the feeling of hopelessness and depression. The elderly tend to look towards others to lean on and to care for them. Okay, then second jo the most important thing occur in their life is the death of a spouse is usually seen as the most difficult loss during such times. Okay, students, look, just those left behind after death of their partner suffer deep grief, cope with loneliness, depression, financial loss, and are also at risk of many health related problems. Students, as you seen that ki when an human being enter in old age there is many changes. Okay, and some changes are related to health also, because now you are not having that stamina which you are having in adolescence, in adulthood. Okay, now you are having many diseases also, or एक after an age you are not capable to perform many tasks, so you are dependent on your children. Okay, and at that time suppose if death of a spouse is occur, so जो partner left behind रह जाता है, okay, that partner face डीप ग्रीफ, कोप विथ लोनलीनेस, अब वो बिल्कुल अकेला है, डिप्रेशन, फाइनेंशियल लॉस एंड द different risk related to health is occur in their lives. so यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो उसको एक हम कह सकते हैं कि साइकोलॉजिकल चेंजेस बहुत सारे होते हैं. फिजिकल तो हो ही रहे होते हैं लेकिन साइकोलॉजिकल चेंजेस बहुत सारे होते हैं. तो वहाँ पे उन लोगों की मेंटल सेट, व्हाट आर द मेंटल सेट दे आर हैविंग एट दैट टाइम, और व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दे नीड. they are not only need the physical things, they are need इमोशंस ऑल्सो ओवर देयर. सो ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो भी हमें एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट समझनी होती है. कि मैंने बताया था कि कभी भी जब आप किसी का बिहेवियर स्टडी कर रहे हैं तो यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन द रूट्स. सो ये सारी चीज़ें जब आप बिहेवियर स्टडी कर रहे हैं तो ये can help the individual cope with the loss of spouse. So students, ये सब कुछ सपोर्ट मिलता है तो old age we can say ki is a happy time of the life. But if the person is not getting any help, any support, then he need to suffer, he is sorry, he has to suffer in old age. So student, it is important to give the elderly a sense of security and belonging, of feeling that people care for them, and to remember that we all have to grow old one day. Okay, so this is all for adulthood and old age. I am sending the PDF also, and if you are having any query, then feel free to ask. Okay students, thank you.